Hike, an extraordinary messaging application that was launched in December 2012. Now in just 4 months of launching, it has completed 5 million downloads, and that's the crazy thing about it. Then what happened to Hike? What are the mistakes due to this messenger of India? Hike remain a failure. So hey guys, this is Mukul and you're watching Ask Mukul. In this video, I will share you a proper case study of Hike. Why Hike remain unsuccessful in India. So before get to the point, I want to share why I am calling it an extraordinary application. The answer is the features and the privacy Hike is providing that time is way more better than the other apps. So let's take a look on the features that make Hike different from the other apps. First feature is Hike stickers. Hike is providing 20,000 plus stickers with 40 plus local language. This makes sense because Hike is providing 20,000 stickers in 40 plus language that time. Second feature is Hike Run. You can check the number of steps you have taken in Hike Run feature. Third feature is Hike News. It helps you to provide the daily update. Let's take it simple. When you open your app and before chat to the person, you are updated with the current scenario. Fourth feature is Blue Packets. It is nothing but an amazing and unique method to send money. So for this, you have to deposit your money in Hike in the form of Blue Packets. And now you can send this money to anyone in the form of Blue Packets. Fifth feature is Text to Stickers. Hike automatically suggests you the sticker according to your text, and this is also an amazing technology Hike is using that time. Sixth feature is Hidden Mode.
समझ रहे हो आप?
You could hide any chat in Hike application that is so much personal to you. One more crazy thing about Hike. It has completed 100 million downloads till 2017. Now you also think after having so much features, after completing 100 million downloads, why Hike remain unsuccessful in India? I will share you 5 mistakes behind the failure of Hike. So first mistake is selective targeting. As I have said you, that Hike was launched in 2012. And that time Indians does not have much access to the internet. One more thing, Indian parents does not have the right thinking about messaging and chatting in that time. And Hike was launched for the youth for the age of 18 to 23 peoples. So it creates a negative vibe towards Hike. And the second thing is, if Hike does not target the youth population, then the massive population can use it and Hike would get definitely advantage of it. Now second point is complexity and fast evolution. Besides having so many features, Hike remain unsuccessful, and instead of this WhatsApp having only chat feature that time is still a winner. You should know this, having so many features is not needed, but having features according to the consumer's need is so much important. People face many problems in using Hike, and on the other hand WhatsApp is very easy to use as it has only a chat feature. People become very friendly to WhatsApp UI in single use. And the next thing is data charges. Before the launch of Jio, people use limited data. Although Hike have many features, but it uses data. And that time people don't want to pay for data. This is also a reason behind the failure of Hike. Third point is market need. Hike unable to understand the market need, and this is also a reason why Hike remain unsuccessful in India. Because that time market need is simple messaging app, easy to use it and everyone can use it. And Hike did not fulfill any requirement. It is not a simple messaging app and it is harder to use for the maximum population. And the third thing, it is targeted for the youth, so everyone can't use it. Now come to the fourth point, that is USP, unique selling proposition. Simply it means how a thing different from the other thing. Now you also have the question, how other messaging app have unique selling proposition. WhatsApp unique selling proposition is, it has a very simple UI. Telegram is a feature to create channels, and this makes Telegram different from the other app. Now you all know that the Signal app has high level security. Now what was the USP of Hike? Hike doesn't have any unique selling proposition. Hike is just an integration of the other features provided by the other apps. Instead of having many features, Hike does not have unique selling proposition, and this is also a cause of failure for Hike. Now the fifth and the last point is lack of revenue model. Hike doesn't have any revenue model. It simply earns from the data charges. What I mean, let's take a simple example. Suppose you are using Hike and you have consumed some data, and this data generates revenue for Hike, because Hike get revenue from the telecom companies for the data you have used. So that's the revenue model of Hike. And instead of this, WhatsApp has the proper revenue model. Also WhatsApp is free app, but it has data of million people, and WhatsApp uses data as a revenue source.
समझ रहे हो आप?
WhatsApp also have another revenue source, charges amount for giving its API, and the developer use this API. Due to these 5 reasons, Hike remain unsuccessful in India. If you also want to build a startup, then these 3 tips for you. First tip is your startup should have 30% unique selling proposition. It means your startup 30% different from the other startups or other businesses. Maybe it is something similar to the other, but having some unique selling proposition is very important. Second point is user experience. User experience should be your priority. And the third point is market analyze. Before jumping into the market, let's take a look on the market, what's going on in the market, how you can beat your competitors. And this will definitely help you not to make the product bestest, but to make the product according to your consumer's need. If you feel this video informative, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more video. बस आज के लिए इतना ही, जुड़ गए यहीं पे एंड करते हैं, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर।